Mark, you know, we saw a turnaround in gold. It snapped the longest slump in 11 weeks, and oil is continuing to slide. The dollar's decline fueling gold's rebound. As one trader put it, the market will continue to remain nervous until we get some clarity on the tapering timeline from the Fed. Meanwhile, oil futures fell to the lowest since July 30th. The nation's supply of crude oil fell to 1.3 million barrels, or fell by 1.3 million barrels. That was close to what was expected. The surprise was gasoline. Inventories rose to the highest level for the summer in more than 2 decades. And we're clearly making too much gasoline. One analyst said that, again, that's putting pressure on price. Meanwhile, cocoa futures entered a bull market today. They're up more than 20% since March on some supply concerns. Mark?
Sue, what's the focus as we head into the rest of the week?
Well, we've got a couple of things. Weather is one of them. We're watching the heavy thunderstorms out west continuing to saturate the south central Missouri area. Now, the governor there declared a state of emergency yesterday. Heavy rains leading to flooding has forced highway closures and evacuations. In fact, one child was reported killed and the mother remains missing after they were swept out of a vehicle by the rains. Now, we're seeing rain and other weather developments impact 2 commodities in particular, natural gas and cotton. Cotton was the biggest gainer today, up more than 3%, and above normal rain is raising the risk that cotton quality may be reduced for the recent crop. While Texas, West Texas, the top growing area, is expected to be drier than normal for the next 2 weeks. Alabama, Georgia, and the Carolinas are forecast to receive heavier than normal rain. Meanwhile, cooler weather ahead, mainly in August, putting pressure on natural gas. It fell to a 5-month low today. One trader called this a market in free fall. If demand continues to go down, he says stockpiles are going to go up. And tomorrow we get the latest nat gas inventory data. Analysts surveyed by Bloomberg say supplies likely rose, Mark, by 2.7% last week.